Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. This channel focuses on 4 things: tech, food, entertainment, and tutorial video. Welcome. There's a lot of new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. And today, another tech unboxing video. I always wanted to get one for myself, but I couldn't afford it. But now I finally can afford it and I get one. Very happy, very excited. Just want to share it with you guys. Without further ado, let's get started. This is my trustworthy cutter. Okay, let's unbox it. Take it to the back and cut it through here. And this is the wireless case version. You can get one without the wireless casing. Okay, cut 4 corners. Okay, pick it up, pick it up. Designed by Apple in California. Nice.
Nice.
Okay, what else you get? You get the instruction guide. Very nice. Okay, some Mandarin text. Okay, this side. Yeah, there's no Apple stickers. Too bad. And what else? Is there something? Oh yeah, you get the lightning cable, of course. And that's it. That's all you get. You don't get the power adapter. You have to buy it separately. Wow, it's very dense. Feel good in your hand. You know, it's not too light, not too heavy. I like the feel, sturdy feel. Okay, take it out. How? Or just pull it out.
12 seconds later.
Okay, you tear it from the back. Okay, easy. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, lights up. So let's take a look at the design. There's a LED light indicator here. There's a lip here for you to push it out. You know, put your finger here and push it out open. Bottom where you charge your AirPods. At the back, there's one circle that's for wireless charging, and this is the aluminum hinge. Okay, so right now I'm gonna pair it with my iPhone 10. Look at that, the light. Yup, not your AirPods. Connect. Hold the button. Okay, at the back there's one button. Okay, so you press it and hold. Okay, so right now connecting. Yeah, connected. So fast, man. So I still got 73% left for the case and 100% for the AirPods. Super fast. Just press and hold and it will connect. Easy. Done. And I like the noise, the sound. I wouldn't say it's noise, it's a sound to me, a beautiful sound. So listen it. Wow. Maybe I put closer to my microphone. Okay. Hear that? Oh my goodness, I really love it. Addicted to it. So this one supports wireless charging. So let me demonstrate the wireless charging feature. First, you need to get a Qi certified wireless charging pad. So this is the Xiaomi 10-watt charging wireless pad. You can go check out the video that I did for this one, unboxing and hands-on. So you just put it on top and you will see the light. So right now it's charging because the case, the 73%, so it's charging. Yeah, very convenient. Once you're done with it, just take it out and done. Yeah, we show you the green. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video. Share it to your friends and family. Comment down in the comment section below. Buy me a coffee if you want to help support this channel. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.